Hello students, how are you? I am sure that all of you will be safe and sound at your home. My dear students, regarding our previous discussion, we have already started a topic related with our literature book like The First Flight. And we have already finished its first chapter like A Letter to God. Just after finishing its first chapter, today we have to start the next chapter related with our poetry section. So all of you minutely, carefully and seriously focus my today's video and follow me. Chapter first related with our poetry section and the topic like Dust of Snow. It's the poem composed by Robert Frost. So my dear students, just before going to discuss about the poem, first of all we have to know something related with the poet. Robert Lee Frost was born on 26th March 1874 and died on January 29, 1963. He was an American poet. His work was initially published in England before it was published in America. Known for his realistic depictions of rural life and his command of American, Frost frequently wrote about setting from rural life in New England. In the early 20th century, using them to examine complex social and philosophical themes. Now, we have to discuss about the introduction of the poem. Dust of Snow by Robert Frost is a brief poem, but it conveys the poet's message coherently. The poem shows how human judgment on certain issues can be misleading. The poet depicts the crow and the hemlock trees as reasons for his changed mood and increased optimism. Now, the nature of the poem. Regarding the verses, it's the poem arranged in stanzas. And in this poem, there are two stanzas. First stanza like, the way a crow shook down on me the dust of snow from a hemlock tree. Now its second stanza here like, has given my heart a change of mood and shaped some part of a day I had rued. Now we have to focus about the exact meaning like explanation of these two verses. on the basis of its first and second stanzas. The poet is upset and sitting under the hemlock tree. Suddenly a crow sitting on the tree shakes the particles of snow from the tree which fall on the poet. The soft and cold touch of snow changes the poet's mood from sad to happy. He starts feeling soothed and refreshed. In this way, a simple moment proves to be very significant and shape the rest of the day of the poet from being wasted and held in regret. Now, my dear students, on the basis of these two stanzas, now we have to discuss about the nutshell summary of the poem. Dust of Snow is a beautiful short poem written by Robert Frost. This poem tells that even a simple moment has a large impact and significance. The poet has mentioned crow and hemlock tree in this poem. Crow signifies his depressive and sorrowful mood, and hemlock tree is poisonous tree. Both of these signify that the poet was not in a good mood, and so he describes the dark, depressive and bitter side of nature to present his similar mood. In such a sad, depressive mood, the poet was sitting under a hemlock tree. A crow sitting on the same tree shook off the dust of snow like small particles of snow that remain on the surface after the snowfall. On the poet, this simple action changed the poet's mood. He realized that he had just wasted a part of his day repenting and being lost in sorrow. But the change in his mood made him realize that he should utilize the rest of the day in some useful activity. His sorrow was washed away by the light shower of snow dust. His spirit was revived and he got ready to utilize the rest of the day constructively. Now, my dear students, next day we shall have to start its next part. Thanks a lot. God bless you and hope to see you again.